Welcome to Tarkika Learning Maths. Now we are learning about division. Let's understand the simple meaning of division. Division is breaking something into equal parts. For example, if you have 10 candies and you share them with 5 friends, how many candies would each friend get? You are right. Each friend gets 2 candies. For simpler numbers, it's easy to count and divide them evenly. For example, if you have 6 cookies and want to share them with 3 friends, you can count and see that each friend gets 2 cookies. For larger numbers, counting isn't practical, so division helps us quickly find out how many parts or groups we can make. For larger numbers, we use the long division method. Long division is a method for dividing larger numbers that involves breaking down the division process into a series of easier steps. Let's understand this with an example. Divide 132 by 4. Remember DMSBR, what is this? You should divide, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat. These are the important steps to keep in mind when dividing. First step. Divide. Look at the first digit of the dividend, which is 1. Since 1 is smaller than 4, we cannot divide 1 by 4 and get a whole number. So, we take the first 2 digits, which are 13. Divide 13 by 4. 13 divided by 4 is 3, because 4 goes into 13 3 times, 4 times 3 equals 12. Write 3 above the line. Multiply. Multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. Write 12 below the 13. Subtract. Subtract 12 from 13. We get 1. Write 1 below the 12. Bring down. Bring down the next digit of the dividend, which is 2, making it 12. Now repeat the steps. Divide. Divide 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Write 3 above the line next to the previous 3. Multiply. Multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. Write 12 below the 12. Subtract. Subtract 12 from 12. We get 0. The quotient is 33, so 132 divided by 4 equals 33. Divide 156 by 2. 1. Divide. Start with the first digit. Since 1 is smaller than 2, we cannot divide 1 by 2. So, take the first 2 digits, which are 15. 2. Multiply. We know 2 times 7 equals 14. Write 7 above the line. 3. Subtract. Subtract 14 from 15 to get 1. 4. Bring down. Bring down the next digit, which is 6, making it 16. 5. Repeat. Divide 16 by 2. We know 2 times 8 equals 16. Write 8 above the line next to 7. 6. Multiply. Multiply 2 times 8 equals 16. Write 16 below 16. 7. Subtract. Subtract 16 from 16 to get 0. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 78.